Hi all, Rene here. Today I have the Celebrate Today card making workshop to show you. This kit will make 16 cards for 4 different designs, and here are the designs. The kit comes with an exclusive stamp set, which is right here. This is what it looks like. And it also comes with the dies that cut out the stamps. So I've already done that part as well. And it comes with shimmer trim in soft pink. This is a new color. It's really pretty. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. And they also have redesigned it, so now you have this leader tape, which is great because you just peel it off the leader tape, cut it the length you need, and then leave yourself some leader tape to start the next one. So I'm really glad that they made that change. So we'll be using this soft pink shimmer trim. It also comes with 16 card bases and the coordinating envelopes, and the card bases are pre-cut and pre-scored, so they're really easy to use. The optional technique, you don't have to do this, but the optional technique is to use watercolor paints. So I've got my watercolor paints, I've got a water brush, and I've got a paper towel. That's really all you're going to need, other than some adhesive. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm just going to make one of each for you today, and then I'll make the rest of them later. So I'm going to put some music on, and then I'll be back at the end. I hope you enjoy. Okay, these turned out really cute and happy. I did my watercoloring 2 different ways, so you could see that you could either use traditional watercolor paints or you could use your watercolor pencils. I think both ways turned out really nice. Either one's just as easy as the other. One thing I did mess up, I forgot to put this shimmer trim right here in the middle. That would look really cute, so I may cut a couple pieces and just fix it in there to give it some sparkle. The great thing about the shimmer trim is it does not come off. There's no glitter that comes off of it, so this is really great when you don't want to have glitter everywhere. The other thing, I really like the splatter technique. I kind of made a mess. I've got it all over my desk. So you could use the splatter technique on any of these cards. And as a matter of fact, the instructions have you using it, I think, on these 2 as well. Drawing the string, really, really easy. I just used, this is just our journaling pen, but you could use any black marker that you have. I wouldn't use like a heavy felt tip marker or anything because you are drawing it directly on the card base and you wouldn't want it to bleed through. But that is that. Oh, and this one, they have you cut off the little bottom piece and then that makes a circle. So that was really cute. On this one, I added the black lines back in with my journaling pen because I thought it looked a little bit muted from the watercolor. So if you find that you're getting that with it, just put the black marker on top. I didn't get that so much when I was using the watercolor pencils. So there's that. I think that's everything that I had to show you today. Again, this makes 16 cards total, so I will go back and make 3 more of each one to finish out this kit. If you have any questions about this kit or anything, any of the techniques that I used today, just leave me a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. And if you're not already a subscriber, I would love it if you would subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.